So you have a school with Teachable and you're wondering, is it GDPR compliant? Well, stick around to find out more. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of verifying whether or not a student is willing to accept promotional emails or not from you. So let's dive in. All right, so we're looking at the admin section for the free plan. When you want to add students to your list, you add their name, email address, and then if when they signed up, they checked off that they are consenting to receiving emails from you, then you can go ahead and check that off. Otherwise, leave it blank. So we're going to start by exporting the CSV file, and then you're told that you have been sent an email. So I'm going to switch over to my email client. You just download the CSV file and then just open that up, and you can see in column J the unsubscribe from marketing emails. When someone does not check the box when they enroll, the value will be true. So it's kind of a double negative, so be careful with that. So false here means that they've consented, and you can go ahead and send them promotional emails. So this is the enrollment form, and this is the checkbox I was talking about, where when they check that off, I agree to receive instructional and promotional emails. That value in that J column is going to be false. I also wanted to mention that if you upgrade to basic plan and up, you automatically have access to email integration, so everything can be more automated for you, and that is through Zapier. And in the future, I'll be releasing videos around that whole task of setting a Zap up and automating everything, all your processes for email marketing. Now, keep in mind that this video was about showing you a very manual process when you're just getting started out and you have opted for the free plan. And so I just wanted to show you a little bit about what that means. However, all of these rules and these checkboxes, this is all going to be the same regardless of which plan you have opted for. Well, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, be sure to drop me a comment below the video. Otherwise, thanks for watching.